I'm with Yelena Raporyeva, and we are at a great listing today. Yelena, where are we?
We are 115 Dumas Hill Road.
Dumas.
Okay, you can
And then
say
we'll
that.
go to Target after this.
We can do that. I think it is Dumas.
Dumas Hill Road, right?
Dumas Hill Road.
Beautiful
Let's say it one more
area.
time. 115 Dumas Hill Road in Fenton.
In Fenton, and very close to shopping at Price Chopper or the state park if somebody likes to play golf or goes camping. But one of the great things about this area, this river valley that we live in, is that you can be so close to town and the roads, the highways and everything, and minutes away you are at this sanctuary for birds and plants, trees. It's really amazing.
This contemporary home sits on a little bit over 8 acres. It's beautiful.
Landscaping is in great shape. Everything is trimmed back and kept so it's not overgrown. There's a pond out there that's just gorgeous. What a setting.
I know. How about we go and see what inside?
Yes, let's go in and see. One thing that concerns me with country properties is having a dirt road and driving up and always having to wash your car. This is a paved driveway right from the top of the road.
I love this great room. Cathedral ceilings. That's the first thing I see, actually. Cathedral ceilings.
Yeah, beautiful. There's so much light in here because of these large custom-made windows. Lots of windows on this level too. I like how low they are to the floor as well.
Just to mention that the floors, they replaced the floors. It's only 1 year old.
There's a gas fireplace in this room, but the high volume room with the overlook from upstairs that is used currently as an office. We'll get up there in a minute.
I also like the dining room. Look at this beautiful windows.
Yes, they're oversized windows, so
Yes.
you can take in a lot of that outside area that is just
Gorgeous views.
nature at its best.
And I really like this kitchen.
Yeah, the same tile floors flow all through the kitchen. Very high quality cherry cabinets, top shelf stuff. The granite counters. There's a nice breakfast area in the corner with lots of windows that will open up to give us a view of that gorgeous pond.
And the lovely part of this kitchen that you can go walk out on this gorgeous deck.
And the tile floors continue to this bedroom wing of the first floor. We have 2 large bedrooms, nice size closets with a full bath, beautiful cabinetry, drop sink, nice tile.
Wow, look at that beautiful place.
Now, this could actually be, this little office area and exercise room, this could actually be a 4th bedroom for this house. It's not a big stretch at all. And it would share this master bedroom suite out here. Look at this.
And look at this absolutely beautiful, large master suite.
Yes, skylights, these sliders out to a beautiful deck. Great place to have coffee. Watch the fish jump in the pond.
And look at this beautiful master bath. Granite countertops, again lots of light, and a tile walk-in shower. How do you like this part of the house?
Very nice. Nice big family room here.
Enough place for the bar.
Big enough for a bar.
Walkout basement.
Yes, full walkout. This is true living space down here with these windows. And there is another area that is just as large as this on the other side, unfinished, but a lot of this area can be used for just about anything. And the
Well, John, I cannot get enough of this view. Magnificent and also peaceful. Also, I find out there is actually fish. If
Yes.
you like fishing.
Yeah, there are fish. And lots of wildlife. It's, like I said earlier, it's like a sanctuary for birds and fish and all sorts of animals. I mean, you could just, sit out here all year long, different times of the year where you're going to see a lot of wildlife.
Right, and you think you're in the middle of nowhere, but you're actually only a couple of miles away from shopping and everything you need,
It's officially a 3-bedroom, but easily you could grab a 4th up there, or maybe in the lower level, a 4th bedroom. And there are 2 full baths.
Yes.
Kitchen's gorgeous. The deck is a Trex type of material and, lasts a long time, little maintenance.
And it is contemporary, gorgeous home in about a little bit over 8 acres. Beautifully maintained.
I also really like that living room with the custom windows, lots of light coming in there, skylights, beautiful home. How does someone see this home?
They can call us at 607-725-2122.
Thank you, Yelena.
Thank you, John.